Hello, this is Coreen with Shakes, and right now we're going to be learning how to cook with ginger. The recipe that we're going to be attempting is a ginger pumpkin soup. So here's what you need. First thing you need is 3 cups of water, a large onion, you can dice it up, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of cream. You need your skillet, of course, a deep one. This is some olive oil. We're going to be using 3 tablespoons of that. Salt and pepper to taste, cinnamon. We need 1 pumpkin, 3 inches of ginger, and of course, our food processor right over here. Because I haven't measured out these little ingredients here, I have my measuring equipment as well, and my spoon. So the first thing we have to do is put 3 tablespoons of olive oil in our pan. Right after that, we put in our garlic, onions, we're going to put a quick sear on our onions and garlic. And when you see them start to get translucent, they're just about ready. I'm going to turn off my stove top. I'm going to move over to my food processor at this point. So what I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to add my pumpkin. Now this pumpkin was roasted in the oven for maybe about 90 minutes. It was seasoned with pepper, a little bit of salt, and it caramelized on its own. So now that we got that pumpkin in there, go ahead and close it up. See if we can give us a little bit of a pulse before we add some of the other ingredients. So now this thing is working real good. So I'm going to add in some of these, the rest of this onion and garlic right there. And while I'm giving this a go, I'm gonna go ahead and slice up my ginger. Now that I have my ginger all done, I'm gonna incorporate it in the party. Along with my cream. So now it looks like everything is pretty much incorporated and nice and smooth. We're going to get that into our skillet now. Look how beautiful this is. Grab my spoon. Get some of that goodness out. Everything is just such a smooth consistency. So from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Just to your taste. That was the pepper. And trust me, a lot is not coming out when I shake it. Then I'm going to do a dash of cinnamon. Well, 3 dashes. Stir it all up. Ooh, look at that. I think everything is nice and incorporated. One last mix. Voila, perfect. Put a little bit of that cream in there. That was in there before. Last but not least, with some of that ginger on top.